Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Crypto Moses channel. I'm really excited to be here today for this one because I think that I found a good meme play. I hear it from a lot of other people, and with opportunities like this, with a good narrative, I think it's got some good potential. So let's just get right into it today. So the narrative is actually Crazy Frog, and I don't know if you guys remember this, but when I was young, this was a big deal. I still to date love the Crazy Frog song. That shit went off. It was popping. So I am a huge fan. And to me, that drives me to A, want to be a part of the community, right? B, that drives me to say, well, this is a good narrative that could easily grow. C, as I start looking through this bad boy, it actually has zero taxes, which made me really freaking happy. Yeah, zero buy, zero sell. That's freaking awesome. Good supply number. Like, I think they've got some big goals on where they're going to go. And everybody does, right? Everybody does. But I did notice some things when I was going through Twitter about them being hopefully listed on some good exchanges. And I'm starting to be a huge believer that any crypto that's a meme token that does start being listed on exchanges has the opportunity to 100,000x. That's the only way they've been able to do that if you look at the narrative for the past year. Um, I think that that's a pretty freaking good opportunity. And I also do think that they've got an NFT they're launching on OpenSea, which is really freaking awesome. I'd actually already be, that's really freaking awesome because not only are they putting in the narrative that we all know and like, well, I know and love, and a lot of others do too, but they are also putting onto it something that's sellable. And that's what an NFT allows you to do. I know there was a huge NFT craze and now some people are hesitant on them, but they're still active. People are still buying them every day. So I don't know. My recommendation is to take a look at it because when we look at this chart too, it doesn't look terrible. It's got the upswing, right? Like it's got the next higher highs. And then we've got a little bit of a lower low here, right? So we're gonna go boom, boom, boom. Here's the thing to that. The reason I do like that is because we're turning it into like an apex, and the minute it's going towards that apex, and I think the minute it gets here, it has the potential to do this or the potential to do this, of course. But here's the thing: the probability of it going lower is what way less than the other end, and the reason I say that is because it's not that far from the bottom, right? Where here, it's got so much potential, 200, 300, 400. So even if I was to make this a play, let's say I was to take this as a risk R to R and put in 500 bucks or 100 bucks, right? Well, my 100 bucks, I could lose it all, right? And so that's the meme token world. I could lose it all. So I can go from here, there. What the hell, I'm lagging, boys. There we go. From here down, lose the 100%, right? 100 bucks. Or if it breaks out and has good opportunity, bro, that's a 300 in this narrative, or even a 400 if that's what my goal is. That'd be a 4-to-1. I'm okay to lose the 100 because I'll gain 400. That's the trick to kind of trading and using RR to your advantage. And again, this is not a bad narrative. It's got good liquidity to market cap. It looks like it's at around 10%, 11%. So not bad. Something good to look at. Something interesting to just keep watch. And it didn't look like there was too many bots, just a couple. Always Jared's bot. Fucking Jared. Printing a half an ETH every damn 10 minutes. It's everywhere. So, like, I do think, take a look at this narrative. Let me know what you guys think below. Comment. All right, do me a favor and click subscribe. And if you got other good meme gems, send them my way. It's always fun to hunt, but the more you send my way, the more research I can do on them. And I love doing the TA. All right, I'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks.